Please step into the manuception chamber. Once inside, you may turn around, lean back, and allow your body to sink into the chamber. Doesn't that feel good? It is critical that you remain comfortably at ease for the duration of the procedure. Are you comfortable?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Please remain at ease. Our records indicate that you have decided to undergo rapid automonogenetic therapy. A few questions will help us better calibrate your progeny. Do you smoke?
No.
Drink?
No. Well, yeah, a little.
Wash?
Yeah.
Any allergies to corn? Latex?
I don't think so.
Armenia?
No.
Intimacy?
No.
Darkness?
No, I like that.
Have you ever had lice?
No.
Gelatin?
Not that I'm aware of.
Car insurance?
Unfortunately.
Regrets?
Yeah, a couple.
Please hold. The chamber is calibrating. Okay, let us begin by doing your sensations. Tell me when you feel something. Say, now.
No. Now. No. Now.
No. 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 No.
Good. Now the chamber will assess the geochemistry of your cosmogenic nuclides using an anti-aromatic dowsing instrument. You may wish to rinse out your mouth. Good. The solid-state stimulator must be positioned behind your ear. Please position the solid-state stimulator behind your right ear. Good. Now the chamber will palpate for your arousal. Bioins will be parsed using a planar rhombic charge-separated tetracyclobutadiene, which is to say, a phosphodiesterase inhibitor. Now the chamber will erect an energetic firewall between your knees. Okay, please place both hands through the chamber's arm-level openings. Allow the cranial synchronizer to settle over the round part of your brain. You should feel that the perturbation torus is now administering deep carrier frequencies. The chamber will ask you to recite the first names of every member of your family, including immediate family members, extended family members, pets, cleaning staff, and house guests, in descending age order. Please begin.
Grandma Betty. Barry Sparks.
A morpho visualization device will be positioned to your left.
Janet Weber.
Please gaze comfortably at this device and continue your recitation.
Stella Oldfield, Sally Menard, Joe Oldfield, Marianne Oldfield. What else have we got?
The genetic collection wand must be installed in your mouth. Please place this device in firm contact with the inside of your cheek. Now repeat after me. Please say, spoil.
Oil.
Again.
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 Oil.
Again. 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 Thank you. You may remove the genetic collection wand. Please hold for processing and analysis. Processing successful. Your specimen is ready for ingestation. Error. The chamber has experienced a problem and needs to close. Please remain at ease.